Hello, and welcome to Good Eaton Chefs. Today we're making Chicken Alfredo. So first we are going to season the chicken. We're going to add some oregano, salt, and pepper. And I specially picked some red pepper flakes to add a little bit of flair. Now we mix. Now we are going to cook the chicken. First we need to turn the element on high. And now I add the oil to the pan. And now we add some garlic and shallots. Now we are going to let this saute in the oil in the pan for a little bit, and then we're going to add our chicken again. Now we will add the meat. Whoa. Can I? And mix it. Where's mine? Mix it. Okay. I like my mix. So that's it for a little bit. Now we have to just wait and wait until it's brown and all the way cooked through. Hi, okay, this is just this is the chicken so far. Looks pretty good and it smells pretty good. Hope you can smell it. So we have our our noodle water cooking for the fettuccine, and we took out the chicken and we leave some of the good stuff in there too. So we're going to make a roux for our Alfredo sauce. So first we add the butter and let it melt. It's melting very quickly. After this little bit of the butter melts, we will add the flour. I think it's ready. Can I add the flour now? No, Adeline didn't add anything. Oh, okay. Okay. We just spilled a little bit, I guess. Yeah. But that's okay. Now we're adding salt and pepper. Now we mix. It smells delicious. Now that the flour has incorporated with the butter, I will add the cream. And I will add the chicken broth. And now we mix. And wait for it to thicken. So, while we're waiting for our cream, our water is boiling. So we're going to add the noodle, the fettuccine. Mom, I just go like this. Sure. And the noodles are looking good. So now we're adding some garlic and some cheese to the sauce. I'm adding garlic now. Okay, you can add the garlic. Alright. I guess we can take turns. How good is this? So good. Oh, so we took this off the stove and we're gonna add some broccoli and some chicken. First, let's add some broccoli. Mix that in. Hold on. And now we add the chicken. Me again. Yep. Okay. Do you need some help? No. It's really thick. Yep. Now our food is ready, and let's feast. Hot. Oh. Delicious. Hey, this is hot but delicious. Booba wheel. Now you can go over here for a second. What do we do now? Here we go. Guys. Except it's not hot. Is it not hot? Here's the sample. We on film? I want to use this for something. I want to see it. Excuse me, I feel dead. Yes, edit that out. Okay. I like cooking.
Yay! Cut.